Video.
Diyan, yung dalan kita.
Oh. Pinsal Falls.
Where's the giant foot?
Ha?
Where's the giant feet?
On the top. Over there. We went there before, 9 years ago.
Ayun na. What's there a giant foot?
Footprint.
Is there actually giants there? Did you go?
They said before. Yeah, we went there on the top. But now it's impossible. It's kind of slippery. Baka
Ay, subok ng bigyan.
Because, wow, hindi ka na eh. Hindi ka na eh.
Data. Saka
Panigay,
tumaglag.
wow.
Baka kalumulumok.
Mapaling pa ulin dito ni Tag.
Karga-karga pa ni Brianna. Karga-karga rin ni Brianna. Umuling niya eh. Dry nga mo dito. Namin kaso may rilan eh.
At the water is Jingjing. Napan kayo?
Ha?
The water na.
At the water na. Basi lang. But it's
Pwede
not
kang
like...
pumunta doon mismo sa top ng ano na
Where's
falls.
the water now, Mom? Huh? Where's the water now?
And there is a giant footprint there on the top.
It's a natural water.
How lovely it is. Because it's rainy season. It's more darker.
But that is already a bit cold.
Guessing that looks well. In the rain below.
Yeah.